Unraveling, Evaluate the Results, a guide to understanding. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and vital phrase that often pops up in both academic and professional settings: evaluate the results. Understanding this concept is crucial for learners of the English language, as it not only enhances your vocabulary but also equips you with the analytical skills needed in various contexts. Let's break it down together and make it as simple as possible. First up, let's tackle the word evaluate. To evaluate means to assess or examine something carefully to judge its value, quality, importance, extent, or condition. It's like being a detective looking at clues to make a conclusion. When we evaluate, we're not just looking. We're thinking critically about what we see, considering the pros and cons, and making informed judgments. Moving on to results. Results are the outcomes, effects, or conclusions that come from doing something. They can be the answers to a test, the outcome of an experiment, or the end product of a project. Results tell us what happened after certain actions were taken. Now, let's combine the two to understand, evaluate the results. When you're asked to evaluate the results, you're being asked to look closely at the outcomes of something and make a judgment about them. This involves asking questions like, are these results good or bad? What do they mean? How do they compare to what we expected? It's all about using critical thinking to understand the significance of the outcomes. Why should we bother to evaluate the results? This process is key to learning and improvement. By evaluating results, we can understand what works and what doesn't. This insight allows us to make better decisions in the future, whether it's improving a product, enhancing a service, or advancing our own knowledge and skills. There you have it. Evaluating the results is a powerful skill that helps us understand the impact of our actions and make informed decisions. It's about being curious, asking questions, and being critical thinkers in every aspect of our lives. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and empowered you with a new tool in your English language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the depth of the English language with us.